Bonnie? No. Bonnie? Where does everyone go? Where should I go? I'm just gonna do something really quick. One of the chica there. Bonnie, are you in here? No? Where's everyone? Where's everyone? Oh. I probably went home. Well, it's a new place. I put a portal unstable. What? Does my insurance cover that? I don't think my insurance covers that. I don't think my insurance covers portal explosions. I don't think I don't think my insurance covers portal explosions.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Fazbear Entertainment would like you to put your hands together for the one, the only, Freddy Fazbear.
Hello, everybody. You ready to have a good time? I know I am. Cause it's Freddy Fazbear's pizza fun-loving guy.
Bonnie's my name, I'm hopping along, floppier than a cottontail. My guitar is blazing, this rabbit's hair raising. Just listen to me wail.
Take it, Bunny! Freddy Fazbear's Pizza. Get your pizza by the pound. Freddy Fazbear's Pizza, where all the kids are safe and sound.
Fazbear Entertainment offers absolutely no guarantees regarding guest safety.
Hey, I'm Chica, the lady of the group. My singing is a treat.
So sweet!
But keep an eye on your pizza.
'Cause I'm a bird who likes to eat! Nom 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 nom! Finally, there's Foxy. One eye and a hook for a hand. He hangs out over in Pirate's Cove. Now you've met all the members of the band. Freddy Fazbear's Pizza. The fun just can't be beat. Freddy Fazbear's Pizza. It's time for us to eat.
For the next hour, add meat to any kid's pizza for just $1.
And if your parents really love you, they'll buy you a 32-ounce Freddy fountain drink.
And don't forget, all the popular kids sign up for our mailing list and get free stuff on their birthday.
Freddy Fazbear's Pizza, where fantasy meets fun.
Freddy Fazbear, Freddy Fazbear, Freddy Fazbear Pizza. Freddy Fazbear, Freddy Fazbear, Freddy Fazbear Pizza. Freddy Fazbear, Freddy Fazbear, Freddy Fazbear Pizza.
Where was that? I'm not gonna ask, but yeah, I'm just going to walk to the new place, I guess. They are not gonna believe what happened there. Yeah, I'm just gonna go.